Princess Isolde had always been warned never to enter the east wing of Blackthorn Castle. The cold, desolate part of the castle had been sealed for over a century, ever since her great-grandmother, Queen Morwen, vanished without a trace. One stormy night, curious and unable to sleep, Isolde decided to explore the forbidden wing. As she walked down the dark, crumbling corridors, the air grew colder and the shadows seemed to stretch, watching her every move. She reached the grand, locked door at the end of the hall and, to her surprise, it creaked open on its own. Inside, the room was untouched by time, a grand ballroom, empty and eerily pristine. Suddenly, a figure appeared in the middle of the room, a pale woman in a tattered gown, her face a mirror image of Isolde's. The woman turned slowly, her hollow eyes locking onto the princess. "You should not have come," she whispered. Isolde froze, realizing she was standing where her great-grandmother had disappeared. The woman's voice grew louder, distorted and filled with malice. "Now, you'll stay here. Just like I did." The door slammed shut, trapping Isolde as the shadows swirled, and the ballroom began to fade into the cold, eternal darkness.